Ehi, siedi. What's up, fellas? Welcome to the garage. Working on the Sierra Sapphire again. As you've seen, I've painted the engine bay here and put some parts in it already. I just couldn't help it and kind of got in front of myself. But anyways, the heater core is in, as well as some insulation, as you can see here. However, now we are slowly getting to painting the whole car from the outside. First, we have to get rid of all the rough errors, if we call them that, on the surfaces. The main thing I have to fix on this Sierra is this rear end here. As you've seen in the previous videos, I have welded this part here, and of course, this whole panel has somewhat distorted. Now I'm here killing myself, trying to make this really straight. I've put the body filler on and sanded with this kind of thing to make it straight, I guess 100 times so far. But now I think I'm actually getting very close to this panel being as straight as possible. I will have to sand this once more, at least once more. I have to say I'm quite happy so far with this line here. As you can see, I've just pulled this surface down and then this one up, and I used this surface for reference as well, all the way to this edge. And yeah, just trying to make it straight here. You can see also this line, this radius here I'm doing by hand, using this kind of a roll here, see? So that's it about this panel here. I've also put body filler on these seals here, so these are nice and straight already. I made those very smooth, maybe even too smooth for this part of the car. But anyways, I'm doing my best to do things right here. I think I will put the plastic covers here anyways, but still, if the covers won't be here, this will look nice and smooth. Once you experience using that much body filler and all that sanding, you really come to appreciate buying a car which has the panels in very good condition. For example, these fenders here, and also yeah, all the surfaces actually, we will just sanding and then we will just be pretty much painting over it. First we will use a bit of spray filler, that is essentially also a body filler, just thinner, you see? So you just spray it on and then comes the final fine sanding before the final paint job. Of course, before any of the painting will be happening, we will have to mask off all the stuff we don't want painted, the door openings here and everything else. But first, let me finish sanding off this panel now. Alright, after much sanding, filling, rinsing and repeating all that, I feel that I finally reached the stage when I can put the spray filler on. As you see here, I've sanded all the visible surfaces to really expose any possible dents or scratches which might be on the car. I did find some. Here was a dent, see? I had to put some filler on. And here as well. Here I had one dent, and this line here wasn't tangent to here, so I fixed that. Also here I made a smoother transition than it was before. Here I got a little dent, and so on. This one you've already seen. Yeah, I'm really curious how this thing will end up once I put the filler on. I didn't mask off all the surfaces I won't be painting with the filler, because I will have to sand all of this anyways before the final paint. The spray filler is exactly that, a filler. So I'm just gonna fill all the big surfaces, especially these two rear ends and the front fenders, because these are the most visible. They actually make the whole car and the car line, along with the doors, which I will be sorting out separately. Anyways, I will put the filler on, and even if some mist happens to land on these exposed surfaces, it won't be a problem, because we will have to sand all of these surfaces to perfection. I will spray some filler here as well, because this edge here isn't really smooth, so I will just go ahead, put some filler here as well, so we'll make it a little smoother, this edge here. You know, if someone happens to just stick out of the car while driving, it's a nice finish to have all this nice and smooth, right? The roof is in very good condition. Actually, it hasn't got any dents or deep scratches, so I won't be painting this. Mainly I will be spraying the filler on the four ends here, if we call them that, and as well these seals here. So that's it actually. So there we have it, the spray filler is on. I will say I'm quite happy with all the surfaces here, except for this notorious rear end. I've seen some irregularities here, so I just went ahead and put a bunch of filler on here. So how this thing will really end up, we'll see when we start fine sanding it. Anyways, that's it for this time. Join us next time when we'll be having much work